Hello and welcome to BoloSign. Today, in this video, we will learn about box integration. First of all, we will go to the PDF, click on Create PDF. This time to upload, we will select Upload from Box and we will grant the access. Now we'll click on Upload from Box and we can select the file from our box itself. Now, just like the same procedure, we will add our signers and click on Confirm. You can add the subject line and the body of the email as well. As you can see, our doc is uploaded successfully. Now we will place our signature box as per our needs. Once everything is done, we will click on send. Send via email. Since I was one of the signer, I will start signing and click on finish. Now to see the details of our signed document in box, we will click on integrate with box. We have created a folder and here we can select and click on view folder. We'll click on update folder. Now click on view folder. After clicking on view folder, you will be able to see your document here inside the folder you have selected. With our latest box integration feature, after signing a document, you can automatically save the signed version directly to your box account, keeping everything organized in one place. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.